Keepouts are used to prevent modules from filling in certain sections of a roof outline. Keepouts can be used for roof obstructions, fire setbacks, and other applications that require module-free areas. Let's just add some keepouts here. We're going to click on the segment where we need to add the keepouts. We're going to go to the keepouts menu on the left, and then you're going to find 5 different types of keepouts. This could be rectangular shapes, circular shapes, polygons, lines, or fire setbacks. First, let's start with the roof obstructions. There's a couple ways you can do this process. You can either manually draw a keepout if needed, like this, or you can use our assisted detection tools, where you can use AI and detect your obstructions automatically. You can see in this example, the assisted detection tool has detected and drawn 3 obstructions for you. You can adjust these obstructions as needed. You can click on individual obstructions, move them, scale them, so you get full control of this process. You can also add setbacks around your obstructions, maybe if you want to leave some extra space for the modules. The other keepout you can add to your design are fire setbacks. You can fully customize this by pressing fire setback here on the left. You're going to notice a couple of boxes around the roof plane, and all you really need to do is type the setback at that specific area of the roof. At the ridge, let's assume 18 inches here. Then I'm going to press tab on the keyboard to jump to the next one. And then I'm just going to continue to add setbacks as needed. Now that you have defined all of your keepouts, all of your fire setbacks, you can move on to the next step, which is adding modules to your design.